In the realm of processing power, we're seeing a significant shift towards AI-focused CPUs. Intel has started the trend with their tantalizing Core 14th Gen HX series, boasting built-in AI acceleration. AMD is not far behind with whispers of AI-optimized cores in their upcoming processors. And then there's Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite. This new player is promising to give x86 CPUs a run for their money, offering impressive performance and potentially superior efficiency. This could be a hint at a future shift towards ARM-based architecture. Moving on to graphics, NVIDIA's RTX Super 40 GPUs have made quite an entrance. These new kids on the block offer improved performance and efficiency compared to their predecessors. NVIDIA is also casting a spotlight on the role of graphics cards in generative AI applications. This could revolutionize gaming, content creation, and design with immersive experiences. Memory technology isn't lagging either. Micron has introduced a new standard called LPCAMM2, which allows for removable memory modules in thin laptops. This could potentially boost performance and flexibility in the future. In the category of other innovations, we're seeing an intriguing development in the form of foldable PCs. Lenovo, among others, is showcasing prototypes that hint at a future with flexible form factors. However, as we marvel at these advancements, there are a few things to watch out for. The ongoing supply chain issues might limit the initial availability of these new technologies. Also, be prepared for the high-end components like the RTX Super 40 GPUs to come with a premium price tag. And while these innovations sound promising on paper, their real-world impact on user experience remains to be seen. Remember, this is just a snapshot of the exciting PC hardware landscape as it stands in early 2024. There's much more to come throughout the year, so keep your eyes peeled for the latest updates. The future of PC hardware is unfolding right before us, and it's nothing short of exhilarating.